Okay, so let's look at the project that we've been working on. So as you can see, my paint is all complete and nicely done. We're going to move on into doing our sill plate installation. So our sill plate, it's basically going to be installed very similar to how you did your foundation. So the way you went around your foundation like this on the perimeter, we're going to do that same method, but now with this batten material that I gave you guys, okay? So you will have to get some measurements and use a pencil to mark this and use your saw to cut them to length. I did some work off camera just to kind of speed this up right here. So you're going to follow these instructions here. The first one I would like you to tackle is this center one right here. And the way this works, you grab your batten. If these are all lined in a row, this should just sit nicely on here. Make it nice and flush with the edges, and that should sit on here like this. Now, I did this off camera, but all you have to do is make sure one edge is flush, grab your pencil and just mark the underside of the batten right here, and then you can go and cut it with your saw. You can use a tape measure, but to be honest guys, this is going to be more accurate, I think, if you just mark it where it is in place. So the first one we're going to work on is this center one right here, and this is going to be our beam. So when we frame this out, our joists will rest on top of this beam right here. So that's the first one I would like you to start with right there. Get your batten, lay it in place, mark it, and put it in place like that and see how it fits. These ends of the board should be nice and flush with one another, and they should be touching these pier blocks that we did on the previous section, okay? So that's stage one right there. Tackle this and then watch the next segment in the videos.